How to hide or unhide all posts on Facebook timeline. So if you want to hide or unhide your post on Facebook timeline, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon, and then go with settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're under the settings, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of activity log. Tap on activity log. Under activity log, you will have an option of your Facebook activity. Tap on it and then tap on post, and under post you need to go with your post, photos and videos, and here you will have all of the posts that you've posted on Facebook. So you just need to simply select all of your posts, and then you can change the privacy, but you can simply go with the individual post. Tap on the right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on change audience. Tap on only me, and that's it. That post will be hidden. So if you want to again unhide that post, then go with the 3 dots again and tap on change audience and tap on public. Or you can also go with another option, which is hide from profile, and that post will be hidden from your profile. So in this way you can hide or unhide all of your posts on your Facebook timeline. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.